Hey, I was out here, I'm working on the smoker out here, and I have a few galvanized parts that I use that I was had to get the galvanization off of them right quick. And I was gonna show y'all how I do it. In my opinion, this is the best way to do it. The best way that I've come across to do it anyway. And you can grind it off of there and get most of it off, but you're still gonna get a lot of smoke. Mess around and get some porosity and stuff that you gotta try to fix. Galvanized metal is just a mess to have to weld with, so if you can avoid it, avoid it. But I do use a few galvanized parts. And this is what I got going right here. Got some parts there. And this is just muriatic acid. And it's gonna eat it off of there. I mean, fast too. You can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's. I think I picked it up at Home Depot, at one of them. But it don't take a whole lot of it. Just, I'm gonna put it in this half of a bottle right here. I hadn't left it in here long enough to see if it'll eat through the bottom. I know it'll eat through a can because I did it one time through an aluminum can. But what we're gonna do is just put some of this in there. It don't take a whole lot of it, enough to, I guess, pretty much cover what you got. And you want to smell this as little as possible. I really put too much in there already. I mean, as soon as you get it in there, you're gonna see it start eating it off. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit there for a few minutes. It's gonna start smoking a little bit. But like I said, breathe as little as possible. I mean, get you a respirator or something, or just get away from it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it there for 2 or 3 minutes and then come back and get all that stuff out of there and rinse it off with some water. All right, it's been a couple minutes and you can see how, maybe see how grayish it is in there now. And there's a lot of buildup on the sides. So I'm just gonna get it out of there. Dump all the acid out. Then just dump it over in some water. Rinse it off a little bit. And after you get it rinsed off, that's just to kind of stop the acid on it. It's been raining out here, so. But I mean, you can already, especially on this one, look at that. You can see where it was sitting down in it, where it's still galvanized on the top, and the bottom is clean metal now. All of that, if I left it sitting out here for the rest of the day in this wet air, it would all be rusted up in the morning. So anyway, like I say, rinse that stuff off real good, dry it off, and then you're ready to weld on it. But just muriatic acid, man, it takes just a few minutes. Do as many parts as you got at one time, that way you're not wasting it. And I mean, it works real good. You just seen it. And it's still, I mean, especially those pieces like this, those still smoke a little because that's that kind of black pot metal stuff, whatever it is. I don't know exactly what it is, but for black pipe fittings. But it works real good on anything galvanized that I put it on. So if you got something to weld that's galvanized, especially if you got a lot of it, got to do it all the time, I'd get some of that and start burning it off of there. So anyway, man, if y'all new to the channel, please like, subscribe. I got a video coming on this smoker that I'm working on in here right now. That one right there. I'm working on a video for it. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and y'all come back for the next one, man.